All of Android Studio's tool windows can be moved around the screen and undocked from the user interface. To manage a tool window, you can go to its tab. I'll work with the Favorites window for this exercise. I'll right-click on that tab, I'll select View Mode, and then I'll choose Float. And the window pops out of the user interface and can now be resized independently. If you have a multi-screen setup, you can drag that window to another screen. If you want to put it back into the user interface, go to the gear icon, and then once again choose View Mode, and this time I'll choose Dock Pinned. You can move the window around by clicking and dragging it. I'll move it over to the right side. Or you can right-click on it and choose Move To, and then choose one of the areas where you can dock a window. I'll place this on the top right. You can remove the tab completely from the sidebar, and then it doesn't exist at all as a tab, but if you go back to the menu and choose View, but you can still get to it by going to the menu. From there, you can click on the gear icon and move it again, and this time I'll put it on the bottom left. There's the tab again, and I'll click and drag and put it back where it started. You can restore the original layout by going to the menu and choosing Window, Restore Default Layout, or you can set up your own custom layout and save that as the default with Store Current Layout as default. So those are some of the things you can do to manage the layout of Android Studio and customize it so it works best for you.